What's good, everybody? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be putting on a bed cover for my brother's Silverado. So I got here today, so I'm going to be putting it on. See, I'm going to put it on right now. I'm going to take it out the box and show you how it looks like. It's a trifold Gator bed cover, but I'll show you right now. Alright, so we got a Gator SFX trifold Tonneau. I don't know how to say that. Here it is. He has it comes with an extra of the edges. Comes with an extra. So alright, I'm gonna put this shit on right now, and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's on. Alright, so basically all we gotta do this. Go to the other side, Jaden. Then you flip it over, flip it, get off, and then boom. And then after that, all you gotta do is align it basically. Like you see, it's supposed to be more up, but I'm gonna fix it right now. You see how it looks like that? Gotta push it, align it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So it's off angle, it's more to the right. So I'm gonna do that shit right now. I'll show you guys what I want to align. Alright, so look, I have aligned it.
There's rubber bands under there.
I've aligned it perfectly. So now, to this part, we go under the truck there. Alright, so look. This is those pieces that have rubber band on it. All you gotta do is take off the rubber bands. It's funny how I'm struggling to take off the rubber bands. I'm gonna take out these rubber bands real quick, and then I'll come back. Alright, so this is two separate ones, one for each side. I'm gonna get this sorted out real quick, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, don't be like me. You gotta think smarter, not fucking try harder. Just fucking put it up. Put it up. That's all you gotta do. After that, you gotta take these off and put them in the back. Want to take them off right now? Hold up. Alright, separate these two. So this comes with one of these. This side goes to that side. Alright, so now we can put it back under. Boom. Now make sure it's aligned. It's perfectly aligned. Alright, now let's get back under. And now let's do this. So for these, all you gotta do is look. There's a little thing right here. See this here? Put it down. You go all the way to the edge. And you pull it hard. And then boom. Doesn't go up. The one we had before, it was like this, but it was a little less like this. But yeah, I think these are better. So you can just pull it. Alright, so look. Now we are back under here. Now, I gotta come over here. Yeah, come over here. Okay, I'm back. So what I was looking at is that actually this is like a safety mechanism basically. So if this breaks off, you have this as a backup so it doesn't fly off. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, so let's go on this side. So at first it should be like this or something. So you want to put this to the edge, and then you want to scroll it all the way down until it reaches right here. So let's do that. After that, you want to tighten it up. Alright, so you put it in. You gotta make sure you put it the right side though, because there's a longer side and there's a shorter side. So you tighten this bitch up. Tighten this bitch up. And then you might hear it click. So it clicks right now after it's done. Ready? 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 Set. See us covering it now. Cool, should be good actually. Should be good. After this, you have to open it up so it can look like this. After that, you grab it, you put it in here. See these two, these are clamps. So Get the clamps right here. Clamps right there, and then you just twist it. I'm actually, which is a different spot. Which is here actually. There you go. Sorry to do it with one hand, so I'm be right back. Alright, so look, I put it on. Should move it off. Here's good. This side's good. These are to open it up. I'll show you right now. So look, all you gotta do is, you wanna take it off, push it down, put it back up, push it down, put it up, then you get out. Good luck. Flip it. Here you go again. And boom, look at it. So you can have it right here. So you can have it open like this, or you can have it closed. There you go. Show how it looks like closed. It's pretty fire. Watch it. Looks clean. I really dig it. Look at that, looks clean. And it's also it's actually waterproof too. We used to have one and the rain wouldn't come in at all. It does get in all weathers. Except for heat, you just gotta make sure it doesn't get stuck in the heat for like fucking years, you know? Months, you know? Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. That's how to put on a Gator SFX trifold. Tonneau, whatever you want to call that shit. But that's how you guys put it on. And it's pretty easy, it's simple, under 5 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed day and enjoy your Tonneau cover, yeah. And I'll leave a link in the description if you guys ever want to order one, alright? Later dudes.